Hello and welcome to our software tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to enter taxable refunds, credits, or offsets of state and local income taxes into the tax preparation software. If you itemized deductions for the prior tax year and received a refund, credit, or offset of state or local taxes for the same year, part or all of the refund may be considered taxable income. This prevents the taxpayer from taking a deduction for taxes that are not actually kept by the state. In most cases, you should use the worksheet in the Form 1040 instructions to figure out the taxable amount of a refund. This worksheet figures the amount of itemized deductions that exceed the allowable standard deduction. If the difference is more than the amount of your state or local refund, the refund is taxable up to the amount that your itemized deductions exceed the allowable standard deduction. If the itemized deductions are equal to or less than the taxable amount of the allowable standard deduction, the refund is not taxable. The tax preparation software provides a state tax refund worksheet that can be used to calculate the state tax refund. In our example, the taxpayer and spouse filed a joint return last year. The taxpayers received a state income tax refund. First, we need to answer the question above line 10 on Form 1040, page 1. Did you itemize deductions last year and receive state or local tax refunds, credits, or offsets? And then we will need to click on line 10. We now need to link the state refund worksheet to Form 1040. Press the F9 key on your keyboard. Select the New State Tax Refund Worksheet link, and then click OK. In the new State Tax Refund Worksheet, click on the Taxpayer or Joint column, and then enter the amount they received for state or local income taxes on this line. This amount will carry to the Total State Refund field. On line 2, we will now need to enter the total amount of the state and local refunds reported on Schedule A, line 5A, on the taxpayer's previous year tax return. On the next line, we will press the F3 key to remove the required entry setting on this worksheet, as the taxpayers reported their state and local income taxes on line 5A of the return, instead of reporting their local general income tax on line 5B of the Schedule A. On line 6, we will now need to enter the total amount of the taxpayer's previous year's deductions. On line 7, we need to report their filing status for the previous year. The final data we need to enter on this worksheet is the total number of the taxpayer's taxable income for the previous years, on line 15 of this worksheet. The software now calculates the amount of the taxable refund on line 14. Pressing the F10 key on our keyboard, we can now see this information carries forward to line 10 of Form 1040. You should now be able to enter the amount of the taxable refunds of state and local income taxes into the tax preparation software. Thank you for viewing this tutorial.